Alright, push this button right here. Push it in. Alright, installation and reversal of removal. It's all about that button. And that will slide in right there. See that? Just like that. That's how you install it. And to remove it, is push that button in and slide it out. Just like that. And just pull it right out now. Okay, so what I did was push this tab down. See how it pushes down? And then now it slides right out like so. See that? And then you can just take the whole thing off. It'll come off. Let me push this. Oh, it came off. So this will come out. And then you just take it off. Okay, so this is what happened. You need to twist it sideways and then pull it out. Twist it sideways, and then you'll be able to. Oh, I was able to pull it out. Yeah, twist it sideways, and then it'll pull out. But it's pretty much. See how that goes in there. You want it in there, and then see how it goes in there. And it's going to slide. See that? You see that? See how it slides? And then it's in place. See? It's not going anywhere. That's how you install and remove that. See? Now it's just a normal old windshield wiper. It won't go anywhere. It's that simple. It goes over there and it won't go anywhere. So this has been another Mad Human Pizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, this is a Toyota CHR. Is it CHR? How to remove and install the windshield wiper. So it's just a button, little button. Don't mind my fingernail. It's got dried up blood underneath. Push that button in and then pull up. You'll push it in and pull up. There. I can get it. Alright, so I push that button in and then pull up and out. That's how you remove it. To install it is reverse. It's got that little button right there, so you just want to put it in there. And you got to line that up too, see where that part slides in there. Just like so. Alright, push this button right here. Push it in. Alright, welcome to the Mad Human Pizza video. I did the video on the windshield wipers on the Toyota CHR, whatever it is. This is the Toyota RAV4. And I'll go back here to verify. Because, you know, you guys have to really know what it is. So, Toyota RAV4. And so this has the normal wiper blades where they have the hooks. So it smells like a skunk out here because I ran over the skunk. Ran over part of the skunk. It's on the tire down there, so it stinks. But anyway, it's got the little hook. It's got this hook right here, and you push up on it. It'll never mind. Person coughing, but there's usually a clip on here, and you push in that clip, it should push down. And I got pumpkin stuff back there. See, they're air, filled with air, and this is usually a two-handed job. But that hook, I got a video on this. You'll push in that, and then this hook will come out, and it'll be rather fun. Now my new house I'm moving into, I have a garage, so I don't have to go out into the world, and they can experience my video making skills. But anyway, so that's how that is. And so I'm gonna go inside now because making YouTube videos is anyway, so Let's make a little vlog. And anyway, so making YouTube videos. Let me see my teeth. See, nice, very nice. This is upside down, but that's okay. Making YouTube videos. Pretty much the year is 2022 right now, and people are really like confined to the inside and fearful of each other. They're really fearful of one another, and it's like a world of it's a first world country. I mean, we're rich compared to the rest of the world, or maybe we don't. Maybe we're in a little bubble. We don't know. But anyway, it just feels like I don't know. It's like everybody's suspicious and fearful of everything. Like it's just it's like a dystopia. It's a dystopia. It really is. It's like a dystopian culture. Maybe it's always been that way. I don't know. Maybe we're just really coming into terms of how things are. But it's not really much. People have fun. It's just they have fun in their own little ways. Like it's like making YouTube videos. This is pretty common. I mean, people make YouTube videos all the time, and so you pretty much have to talk with yourself, and I don't know. I'm gonna mess with this wiper blade up here. I'm gonna attempt to. So here we go. So I have a lot of filler content that I like to do, and so now on this part you can't. So here, so the wiper blade. Now this side I might be able to do with one hand. Now there's a little button, not a button, but a little lever type thing, and I'm pushing in. I believe if I push that in, then I'll be able to pull the whole thing out. But I've had this on this has been a year or two, this wiper blade, and I love it. It's absolutely great. It is a great wiper blade. And it just doesn't falter. It works every time, because this part will push in, because this comes around, it loops onto this piece right here, and so you should be able to push it inward. And to do that, there's a little tab. I don't want to break that tab, but there is a way. And I'll need two hands or a tripod, but I don't want to use a tripod. As you can see, it loops around, and it loops inside there. So it'll loop inside there, and it'll go right in there, and yeah, so I won't mess with that too much, but hold on. Okay, so that's pulled that out, and as you can see, this little clip is back here. A lot of fun. See this little clip here, and now it's always an art to figure out how all these go on, but this will slide. This little hook, that little hook right there, it'll slide onto, where's it at? Look for that little tab. Remember that little tab right here? See this tab? That hook slides in that middle hole right there. So you want it to look like the way I had it. And so you want to get it. It's kind of almost, I wouldn't say it's trial and error, but you want to get it in there just the right way, because that hook is going to hook right over. So when we get it in there, put that up in the air. I need a tripod, but I don't know. Kind of just like, I'll say. Okay. like so. Well, it's all twisted up. Look at it. Look at it being all twisted up there. See how that works right there? And pretty much have to explain to people, hey, I'm a YouTuber. This is how I make money. And so hold on.